here we are. First time I've actually been in the truck, probably 6 weeks. At least 6 weeks, probably 7 weeks since we last put the battery in. I haven't charged it, I haven't done anything, I've just got the new leads. Just jumped in it. And I'm just going to see what we're up against. Okay, we have some lights. Let's see if it cranks. Awesome. The battery's held its charge, and yeah, no, it turns over nicely. Haven't done anything to it. Looks like we're dealing with a good electrical circuit at the moment. We'll obviously the horn doesn't work. Maybe if it's no. That would have been fun. Still? No, I'm just draining it. But you get the gist. It's obviously turning over and it's been sitting for 6 to 8 weeks. Cool. Oh, we've got some amperage. There we go. I didn't even look down here. The actual amperage does work. It is at 10 amps. It's pulling. There we go. Nice. All right, there we go. Cigarette lip. The ashtray's obviously going to be replaced. Still excited. Still looking forward to getting this old girl up and running again. Gear stick, 2-speed diff. Handbrake, that I'll probably just pump some of the brake fluid out of the brake from the diff that I made. It's just amazing. Lucky, unlucky, but that's what it's all about. Project Bedford, fantastic.